Morning, Jamaica. Fancy cat there. Now, this is not something I normally do. For come on Facebook and chat about public thing and all these things. Because it's like young like make up number. I don't care what you say. The person who I feel it, I go feel it. You see what I'm saying? I attend a school in a trench town in Arima, named U Sherlock College, a school that locked down now. I'm a move from there, so to Denhamton Secondary. So you know, a 2 years in school that. I was supposed to leave from Denhamton and go start. But there was a war taking place and I take with myself. 2 years in school I go. And see me here today. Turn out to be somebody with the public appreciate and love. You see me? I see all heap of video put up on Facebook. Schoolboy at this of school teacher. We see one the other day with one little youth, him no more than about 13, 14. And this up a school teacher, style him up as him a B man and all these things. And the man just stand up there and I look upon him. Him say, well, half a 3 years ago, you're a B boy. I go up and I say, see it there. You think me could have go to school and go on with them antics there? My father, I come down there and put 2 boxes in my ears. You see me? Parents, someone don't need to take up on a picnic and swing by the school every now and then. They just drop them off at school with lunch when I think say, yeah, that's all good. You have a lady one day, our friend call her and say, why Dennis, so you never tell me, say, Mitzi I go foreign. And they say, what you talk about? Mitzi go to school, that our daughter named Mitzi, you know. And they say, yeah, man, because me and her dep on the same flight to go to Miami. And then Mitzi come home and she draw her up. Her drugs Mitzi get money for carry go foreign. And her mother thinks she should be at school. She gonna get bite of foreign. You see me? And when the daughter put out all kind of thing about missing, and she serve time up so. Check with kids. Teacher, turn up on her foot. Don't make nobody pushing around in a human being too. You see me? Whether in a uptown or downtown in a human being. Because we need more teacher than picnic in a school. And so much of them are come out and nothing them are go to them are run up in a bar and go club. Eh? You get little education, sit on yourself and take that. Now follow the friend them round you. Because no fun them can pick near them want to be followers. That's all them want to be because them want to be in the in crowd. You see me? Phone shouldn't even be in a classroom. Phone for them in a bag. You see what I'm saying? Phone for them in a bag or phone reach up and that's me see picnic sit down with phone over face I take picture. And a style and I put on Facebook. I want to take this thing for. And then I go get on the teacher case, say she this and she that. No, sir. Me not say she wrong, me not say she right, but me I tell her, stand up. Stand up on your foot. You might be my picnic for you. You could have been mother. You see me? I go style you. Sometimes you have to go down to them level, you know. I make them know, say you're no idiot. You have to go down to them level and say, listen, me no. Me no fool, you know. You come talk to me, sir. Me see one school long in our country, about 3 of them gang up and put a teacher. Eh? Regular this come up on Facebook and the one time a teacher turn up on her foot now. Everybody I get on her skills. Bullshit this and shit that. Listen, me no Lord woman, you hear me? Lord woman. Me say police are all up school boy and I fling him, I spin him in pencil in him and police are search him. In my box of police and police. So when the little lady for sit down there, if police can't control them, who go control them? Eh? Them parents can't control enough of them. The police can't control them. So how the teacher will control? The teacher just stand up for yourself. Tap pressure no man, she a human being. No fun of putting yourself in her place. Don't just look upon her and cover her down. Put yourself in her place and ask yourself, what did I do? Because you can't kill make everybody suffer through one picnic, you know. You see me? Glass of 40, 45 picnic and one unruly. You're going to spite everybody for through the one picnic there. So when people go to school, them want to learn. Them want dedication. It was even if you go sweep floor, them have to have that. Because if them go make a matter and ask their job, them ask them what subject them have. If you go wrap up luggage or grocery. So load the people in picnic. Load the teacher. Sorry, load the teacher. You see me? Teacher, if the government dry you up and ask you what do you them you talk to. Don't talk to nobody on Facebook. What happen? If them parents or them parents come to you, you put them in the classroom and you talk to the parents in front of the picnic them. If I lie, the pick them will ball out a lie. If I true, them will say, But they have nothing to say to nobody. So make the whole of them sit down there, they want my right on the talk about she's this and she's that and it's not acceptable and this and that. That's why enough for the teacher them I run with God foreign. Because they can't deal with the picking them out here. You see me? They cannot deal with the picking them out here, so they take one themselves, they run with God foreign. You see me? Big up your idiot. Yeah. So when the teacher them gone foreign, now who are going to teach them? The parents? Parents them not time for themselves, much less them picnic. Because them too busy around go work, go make the money for make the picnic, put on tie pants, go school. And Clark's booty. You see? So now pressure do man, I tell you about all kind of little phone in this. Lord, do man. Backside, everything in a jump, and this Facebook thing I get up on people's nerves. Everything you put on Facebook and Instagram and them thing there, like you don't want to call down people and people for live. Some man I look likes. Yeah? You see people likes like you don't get paid for likes. Yeah? And the comment no need, don't even never say nothing upon this. But me I tell you no. I want pick them up and if I ever come home one day and say teacher do this, me I go ask the teacher what him do. And if I'm wrong, me I box him down in front of the teacher too. Because so enough of them learn, if I smack them in front of in the school. You see me? Enough of them don't want to hear take with them phone. If you can't beat them, take with them phone. We say picnic, come and floor buy phone. Them with them parents, and them tell the parents what kind of phone them want. And them not have a job. They not pay light and water bill. Them not say, right, mama, thanks to the light. Daddy, thanks to the light. Or the water when we can bathe and drink. But them want iPhone. That's why you can't go to school, go take picture, a teacher and disrespect people. Cut it out. You know, look good. We teach them to go run where. Government to know that. Them are going to cut. Because Canada want teacher. England want teacher. They not no problem for run go over there because they get better pay and better service and better health care. We will not give them out here. Every minute them line up in that and say them want to raise their pay. Not raise them pay. No. But if we sit down and take bullshit from some of them little picnic, Lord woman, you hear me? The Lord woman. Fancy cat. Them get a lollipop. And that are my piece on it. So we don't want to say I phone the business that me done talk. I'm out. And big up yourself, girl, that everybody. Rob Lowe, everybody we I watch every day because unless I'm a thing there. For real, you know? I can't pay a whole day still because eat and left me a bite up around there. So. Early man, let me drink Pepsi, free promotion. Wow. Later.